What's up, everybody on YouTube? I'm literally in the middle of a workout and I had to make this video and spread this message, but too many people walk around and they're scared to show emotions. They're scared to celebrate. They're scared to get excited. You know, when something good happens to them, they're just like, yeah, you know, I did a good job. No, screw that. Woo! Get excited. Get pumped up. Show some emotion. Stop worrying about what people are going to think, right? I had somebody who came up to me the other day and said, you know, that person was talking about you, Steve. They said, you know, you're weird. You're kind of odd. And it was almost like trying to make me feel bad. But it's like, yeah, I'm weird. I'm different. I'm odd. You want to know why? Because I'm living my life with passion. I'm excited. You know, we all worry a little bit about what people think. But the more I go on this journey with my health, my fitness, self-development, the less I care what other people think. Because you want to know what? I don't want to be normal. And you shouldn't want to be normal either. Be yourself. Live with passion. Get excited. When you win something, you lose some weight, you make some money, you build a business, you be excited. You be proud of yourself and who you are. Don't fit in with the crowd. Don't be worried what the critics are gonna say. You wanna know what? Focus on you, focus on adding value, and focus on making a difference. That's the message I gotta share with you guys today.